Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Kumar Rohit and I am here with my friend Mr. Rishabh Pathak. This is an introductory video about our channel, that is Data Geeks, and in this particular video we are going to tell you about the mission and the vision of our channel and the purpose to start this channel. So let's proceed. As we all know that the world is currently facing with coronavirus and currently going through a tough situation. So in this, because of this COVID-19 and pandemic, many people have lost their jobs and lakhs of people are at risk of losing their jobs and life. So this is a very chaos type of situation in our country and even in the world. And many fresh graduates and students are not able to get their job, and they are not able to even secure their unpaid internship. So this is the worst condition which we have ever seen. But this is not the fact that there is no job in the market. Yes, there are jobs. There are lots of jobs that are currently available in the market. What you need is right set of skills. So if you will search on Google or in Naukri.com or in LinkedIn, you will find lots of jobs that are currently available and open. But what you need is right set of skills. So as me and Rishabh both are in data science, so here we will guide you about data science, like who can pursue data science, why to pursue data science, and what are the prerequisites of data science. So, and also we will guide you about the career opportunities of data science and what is the future of data science. So, and these topics will be explained in next slide. So, and that will be explained by Rishabh. So, over to you, Rishabh.
Thanks, Rohit. Hi, guys. My name is Rishabh Pathak, and by now you must have got a fair idea about what is the main reason behind opening this YouTube channel. What is the mission and vision behind this YouTube channel called Data Geeks? In this particular slide, I'll be explaining you about different educational backgrounds where people from data science come from. As you can see in the below pie chart, 71% of the people come from B.Tech industry, which is itself a very big number. The next big chunk comes from BBA, BBM, BMS. Following up, it's BCom, MBA, MTech, BSc, and others. So you can see from this pie chart, 71% of technology students, B.Tech students, are there in this data field. Now, I'll share you some estimates of 2021. What is the predictions in the field of data science for 2021? 46% analytics professional in India have a work experience of less than 5 years. So if you look into the current scenario, a lot of young people, a lot of people who have a work experience of less than 5 years are working in this field of data science. And that is the reason why 61% of jobs are open for candidates with less experiences, which means this is one of the best industries for freshers, and not only in terms of opportunities but in terms of salary, in terms of innovation, in terms of career growth, everything. The 2021 global estimate calls for around 2.7 million job postings for analytics and data science roles in 2021. Now you can see the number, 2.7 million job postings in 2021 is huge. And the best fact is, it is for people with less year of experience. It is for people like you, people like the people coming from B.Tech, who have just graduated from their college. A lot of opportunities are for them. Indian data science industry is growing at a very healthy rate of 33.5 CAGR, which means compound annual growth rate. And this is the reason why India is about to become one of the top three markets for big data by 2021. So, a lot of things coming up in 2021 in the field of data science for India and for freshers who are planning to make their career in data science. Now, I think you must have got a fair, good, enough amount of idea about why we have opened this YouTube channel and what is the major reason behind opening this channel. Okay, so here in this channel we'll be posting videos related to the data science world, topics related to data science and artificial intelligence as well. So stay tuned to our channel, and if you have liked this video, please do subscribe our channel. I hope you all are doing well in this tough situation, this corona period, and please do take care of your families. And yeah, thank you.